All right, so if we want to rotate our auto tiles, we're going to have to create some type of lookup table or something to perform that math. So in the top level lookup tables, we've added this section, rotate touching by using lookup table. So we're going to use the lookup table first, and then later we'll do bit packing. So we're splitting up the lookup tables into X and Y components. So for a 0 rotation, rotating on the X, we're going to take a touching 4 value and spit out the touching 2 value, so just the X component. So here's the binary that goes in for the touching value, and here's the touching 2 value that represents only the X portion of the touching 4 value. And here is the output in hex that represents this. So then we do the Y part. So for the Y, we take the Y component of the touching 4 value and spit it out into a touching 2 value. Here is the hex equivalent. And same idea for everything else. So rotate 90, here is the formula. And we're going to take these Y values, and we're going to invert them and paste them into the X slots. Here's the hex. For the 90 degree for the Y component, we're going to take the X here, and we're going to paste it into the Y, and we're not going to do anything to it right here. And then for 180, we have X comma Y equals negative X comma blank. So we're only focusing on this right here. So we're going to take just negative X. So this part right here, we're going to invert it, put it right here, and then here is the hex version of that binary over here. For rotating 180, same idea. We don't have time to cover this all. We're running out of time, right? Then the same idea for rotating 270. So we have the X part and the Y part for rotating 270. This is all counterclockwise. Here's some footnotes, some other footnotes, some other footnotes, some other footnotes. Here's what we did in this video, just the lookup tables. If you want a longer explanation, you will have to go here. We don't have time here. You are on the shorter playlist. Source code here. Email me here. Like, subscribe, send money in the mail.